Hey guys, what's up? So today I want to show you something really cool. How you can add AI chatbot in your Wix website. And honestly, it's very easy. So I am Sahil, co-founder and CEO of Digi Eminence, a digital marketing web and app development agency. Alright, let's get into it. So first thing, we need to go see that app market button on the left. It's basically like a app store, but for your website. Now just search for Wix AI chatbot. There is it. See. Just click add to site and let them install. It's take usually 1 or 2 minutes, maybe lesser. Open in your dashboard automatically. So you will see here one button that is train your AI. Click here. So basically, this is where you can teach your bot about your business. There is a section called knowledge. This is a super important because it's how you chatbot learn to answer questions correctly. Next, now you can upload a file with all your business information, whatever you want the bot to know. Upload the file and give it a name. Don't stress about the name thought. Your customer would not able to see. It's it's just for you to keep track. For AI training rules, you can create up to 10 custom in current plan. Now let's customize the things. Go to AI response style. This is fun because you get to decide the personality of your chatbot. You can choose the stuff like should chatbot use emoji. You can add even a avatar to make it feel more human. There is also its data coverage where you pick what information about the bot can use when people is interact with your chatbot. Then here is a one more section quota and then AI chatbot setting. So here you can decide should it will be available 24/7 or just during your business hour. And here when user come on your website, so you can manage when should it open on your site and what the first thing say to your visitor. You can use ChatGTP to write a good welcome message instead of using the default one. And there is a one cool features where you can show a contact form after that chat. So even if the bot can't answer anything, you can still capture the lead and follow up later. Smart, right? In the dashboard, there is an option called exclude side pages. This is useful if you are certain page where you don't want the chatbot showing up, like maybe you don't want it on the thank you page or something. Totally up to you. Now let's make these things look nice. Go to the design setting. Here is a many options. You can customize your chatbot accordingly. You can edit all the text that show users on your chatbot. So you can take the help of ChatGTP for making a cool content. In the design option, here is a too many option like header, background, message, input field, minimize chat form. You can optimize all the things. We can change color, heading style, as well as icon that is show here. Look at the button. See that chatbot. Nice. Here is a publish button. After the publish button, you will see the view site. Now you can see your chatbot here. Uh, I think there is some error. So let's republish it. Look at the button. See that chatbot. Nice one. Click on it and you should see your welcome message here that we create on the help of ChatGPT. Now you ask it a question about your business. Pretty awesome. That also include a emoji,